Next point is, a date does not important if something big happened on that day. So let's take an example. The British historian began their history with the first Governor General of Bengal, Warren Hastings, and they continue up to the last Viceroy of India, Lord Mountbatten. Their history mainly focuses on the activities, policies, and the lifestyle of their men. So we can write history in a particular sequence so that it not only sounds like a story, but also the one with sense. Historians use other type of sources to understand history as well. Secondary sources are written accounts of history based upon the evidence from primary sources. These are the sources which usually are accounts, works, or research that analyze, assimilate, evaluate, and synthesize primary sources. My next question is, what are the different sources of history used by an archaeologist and historians? Archaeologists will use any and all sources available, from written records to paintings, oral tradition to geographical knowledge. There are many sources of information which help us to study our past, but whatever was written could also have been biased and subjective assessment of a particular person. Traditionally, historians have divided the period into three categories: the ancient, medieval, and modern. This period do not start or end with cut-off, a gradual fading and evolving pattern from to the other. Let's explain with ancient history. The Vedic civilization is the earliest civilization in the history of ancient India. It is named after the Vedas, the early literature of the Hindu people. Second point, medieval refers to a long period of the history of the Indian subcontinent between ancient and the modern period. And third one, medieval period presents an authoritative overview of the world beginning after the Middle Ages.